you love making things, solving problems, or creating moments that make people smile. What if that hobby could pay you back, not just in joy, but in cash? This is a friendly, practical how-to on turning your hobby into a profitable side hustle. You'll get clear steps, real feel examples, and the mindset that keeps momentum. Ready? Let's go. Start with clarity. Define the hobby and why it matters. Pinpoint exactly what you enjoy. Is it baking glossy cookies, photographing golden hour portraits, building custom furniture, or teaching yoga? Be specific. Crafts is too broad. Resin jewelry with pressed flowers is precise. Ask why it matters to you and to others. Your reason fuels resilience. Maybe you love the ritual, the creativity, the feedback, or the calm focus. That emotional core is part of the product you sell. Test the waters. Small experiments before big commitments. Run tiny, fast experiments. Make 5 pieces. Host a 1-week Instagram story sale. Teach a single 2-hour class to friends, or list 1 product on a marketplace. The goal is feedback, not perfection. Track reactions, sales, DMs, comments, repeat requests. 1 sale proves someone values it. 1 heartfelt message proves you solved a problem. Use low-cost platforms, Etsy, Gumroad, local markets, or a simple Linktree to PayPal setup. Avoid big investments until you've validated demand. Find your customer. Who will pay for this? Describe your ideal buyer in concrete terms: their age range, interests, where they hang out online, and what problem your product solves. For example, busy moms, 30 to 45, in urban areas, who want unique kids' party favors without crafting time. Put yourself in their shoes. What do they want? Convenience? Status? A handmade story? Price sensitivity? Listen in the wild. Join Facebook groups. Scroll niche subreddits. Read product reviews of competitors. You'll discover language your customers use. Copy that will convert. Choose a monetization model that fits you. Product sales. Physical items shipped to customers. Profitable when you can balance cost of materials, time, and perceived value. Consider limited runs, made to order, and bundles. Digital products. Patterns, presets, templates, courses. High margin, scalable once created. Best for skills you can teach. Services. Photography sessions, repairs, custom work, private lessons. Trades time for money. Great early on while you build reputation. Subscription or membership. Monthly boxes, exclusive content, or recurring classes. Predictable income if you can deliver ongoing value. Hybrid approach. Mix digital and physical. Example, sell a woodworking plan, digital, and custom-built benches, physical. Price for profit, not pity. Calculate cost baseline. Materials plus labor, your hourly rate, plus overhead, shipping, tools, platform fees. Add profit margin. Aim for at least 20 to 50% above total cost early on. Use tiered pricing. An entry-level item to attract first-time buyers, a mid-tier that's your bread and butter, and a premium custom option for higher margins. Test and iterate. If items sell out, raise prices. If they don't move, tweak product or promotion. Don't undervalue yourself. Create a simple brand that speaks your truth. Pick a name and visual style that fits your vibe. You don't need a full rebrand. Consistent colors, fonts, and a short tagline are enough. Write a 2 to 3 sentence value statement: who you are, what you make, and whom you serve. Put it on your shop page and in your bio. Photography matters. Use natural light, clean backgrounds, and a couple of lifestyle shots. Show the product being used. If you can't hire a photographer, learn a few basic composition tricks and use a phone tripod. Build a minimum viable product, MVP. Launch with a small, cohesive offering. Too many SKUs dilute focus. Pick 3 to 7 items or 1 to 2 core services. Keep fulfillment simple. Pre-orders, dropshipping for non-core items, or scheduled local pickups. Complexity kills margins. Create a one-page shop or a simple landing page that accepts orders or signups. Clarity beats flash. Marketing without burnout. realistic strategies that work. Content that converts. Short videos showing process, before-after shots, quick tips, and customer testimonials. People buy from people. Show the human behind the product. Consistent posting beats sporadic perfection. Pick 2 platforms where your customers spend time and post 2 to 3 times a week. Leverage micro-influencers and community collaborations. A shout-out from a niche account with engaged followers often beats a paid ad to strangers. Email is gold. Capture emails with a simple lead magnet, a 10% code, a mini guide, or an early access list. Send one short, value-packed email a week, new items, behind the scenes, or a customer story. Use paid ads only when you have a tested offer. Start small, measure cost per sale, and optimize. Operational basics, systems, and margins. Track everything. Use a simple spreadsheet for income, expenses, and time spent. If you don't know your true profit per hour, you'll underprice. Standardize your process. A packing checklist, a batching schedule for production, templates for emails and invoices. Systems reduce errors and stress. Inventory decisions. Make to order reduces upfront costs, but lengthens delivery time. Stocking inventory speeds shipping, but ties up cash. Choose what fits your cash flow. Customer experience. Small details, big returns. Fast, friendly responses build trust. Communicate timelines and shipping expectations clearly. Include a handwritten note or a small freebie for first-time buyers. Perceived value increases and encourages social sharing. Ask for reviews. A gentle follow-up message 3 days after delivery asking for feedback often yields testimonials you can reuse. Time management. Keep the side hustle sustainable. Use time blocks. Reserve specific evenings or weekend blocks for production and separate time for marketing. Treat them like appointments. Batch similar tasks. Photo shoots, packaging, and customer messages are more efficient when grouped. Set limits. A side hustle should complement your life, not consume it. Decide in advance the most hours you'll invest weekly. Scaling thoughtfully. Hire help when revenue gets predictable. Outsource tasks you hate or that cost more of your time than money, fulfillment, bookkeeping, or social media scheduling. Automate small things. Shipping labels, email sequences, and social media scheduling tools save hours. Expand intentionally. Add complementary products, partner with a retailer, or teach workshops. Choose moves that align with your brand and customer needs. Mindset and emotional rhythm. Expect slow stretches. Creativity ebbs and flows. Plan for quiet months and save a little for lean times. Treat feedback as fuel, not judgment. Use it to refine products and processes. Celebrate small wins. First sale, first 5-star review, your first repeat customer. These milestones keep momentum. Real-life example. Imagine you make hand-dipped candles. You test at a weekend market and sell 3 candles. You create a simple Instagram showing the pouring process. 2 weeks later, a local cafe orders 10 candles and features them on its counter. You raise your price slightly, introduce a gift set, and use pre-orders for holidays. You move from hobby to steady side income by validating demand, streamlining production, and investing a bit in better photos and packaging. Final checklist before you launch. Clear product or service defined? Check. Small experiment or MVP built? Check. Target customer described and tested? Check. Pricing covers costs and time? Check. Simple brand and photography ready? Check. Basic systems for orders, shipping, and accounting? Marketing plan you can stick to? Time limits and boundaries set? Parting note. Profit with purpose. Making money from what you love doesn't mean selling out. It means sharing something valuable and getting paid fairly for it. When you combine craft, a clear offer, and small, consistent experiments, you build something that can grow without draining you. Think in tiny steps, measure what matters, and scale only when it feels right. Now, take a single micro step. Make one item, post one short video, or message 5 friends who'd care. One small action is the beginning of a profitable side hustle built around something you already enjoy. Go make something people can't resist and get paid for it.